Until now, the Penal Code, Anti-Terrorism Act, the Trial on Indictment Act, and the Uganda People's Defense Forces Act all provided a mandatory death sentence. But these provisions have been amended, giving discretion powers to courts to give a death sentence or not.
Those in favor say aye.
To replace the mandatory death sentence with discretionary death penalty that may be imposed by court depending on the circumstances. In other words, we've been able to allow courts to listen to mitigating factors because that's part of the fair hearing.
Whereas Parliament has not been able to abolish the death penalty, I welcome the amendments that have been made.
The Supreme Court will have a final say on what the military court-martial would have decided.
It must be subjected to the final determination by the highest court, and by that definition, highest court means the Supreme Court.
The amendments put into effect the 2006 court ruling in the Susan Kigura petition contesting the death sentence.
It amounts to torture, inhuman and degrading treatment. And that's how Susan Kigura and group ended up with their death sentences reduced or commuted to life imprisonment.
It means that now courts have the discretion to impose appropriate sentences as they deem fit.
In Luzira, if you go there now, or if you went there maybe before Susan Kigura, you would find so many people on the death row waiting.
They have made provision that even then a person can be sentenced to a lesser punishment, meaning to a maximum of 50 years.
These amendments are, however, subject to President Museveni's assent. The president remains a strong supporter of the death penalty.
Yes, some people want to abolish the death penalty. I'm not part of those.
We have clarified that every death sentence must be followed by a report to that Committee on Prerogative of Mercy.
Here in Africa, already 18 countries have abolished the death penalty. Just to mention a few, countries like Rwanda, Burundi, Cape Verde, South Africa, and others.
Jingo Francis, NTV.